Oh my god, I know I'm gonna have a hard time, bro. Hmm. Oh, the new tab is called YouTube. Okay. Mm. Okay, let's get there. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, close that off. I'm sorry. Yo, what's good, boys? It's day 92. We back with another video. Yo, guided man, Chronic of Ages. Hey, you didn't check my portfolio on LinkedIn? I did, bruh. I did. Hello, just give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec, bruh. Mm-hmm. Um, we're live now, boys. I did check it, bruh. Yeah, how are you guys doing, bruh? So day 92, but I get a job. That's crazy though. But you sent me a message on LinkedIn. Oh, that was you. That was you. I didn't even know, bruh. We just started the stream right now, just a second ago. Alright, I think I saw your text somewhere. Okay, let me try to look at it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This is you, right? This is a Krishna dude. Alright. This is your app. You are living LinkedIn. Okay. Alright. Yo, what's good, guided man? How are you, bruh? I didn't get a job, of course. It's day 92. Nice background. Bro made it in life. Look at his mansion. You guys are trolls, right? Y'all don't want to see me win or what? You guys are trolls, bro. Why you guys trolling me like that? Look at his. Who's this stud? Who's a stud, bro? Who's a stud, dog? Um, my exam coming soon. I hate them, bro. You're not alone, bro. Nobody loves exams. Only the nerds. Only the nerds love exams, bro. Hey, I checked out your website though. For some reason, your website, there's a way it makes the scrolling very, I don't know, it's smooth but it's lazy though. Like my heart, I just want to scroll very fast. I don't know what you're doing with your application. I've not uploaded the project and my self photo. Oh, okay. Yo, what's good? Chronic of Ages, my brother. What's the name of that dude, bro? Velo Bharti, welcome to the stream. Guided Man, welcome to the stream. Alex Boom, welcome to the stream. Bro, we just started, bro. Y'all should cut me some slack, bro. I've been a little busy, how to do some things. What's with the people using cartoons in their portfolio? I don't know, bro. Is it a new trend? It's JavaScript animation tool called GSAP. Locomotive scroll. That's why the scroll is so lazy, bro. It's just making me paranoid. I thought my computer was the one slow because I tried going to like Google, right? I tried going to Google and then I was like, wait, am I tripping or this stuff is actually slow? So I just did any random stuff. I tried to scroll. You see how it's fast, and when I came to yours, super slow. Somebody knocking the door, bro. I don't know who the hell that is. Let's check. Boys, give me some sec. Let me open the door for somebody here. Just give me a second, okay, boys? Just give me a second. Oh my god. Yo, Bruskies. What are you guys saying? First flex that what? Flex up with the dumbass gas. Oh, we just started a stream where you guys are already going nuts like this, bro. Come on, relax, bro. What are y'all saying? Alright, so this guy's portfolio is not bad. About the scroll effect is good. So I think you're just flexing the scroll effect. Other than that, there's nothing special here, because I can tell this is just the basic monster thing. You get. I don't really see anything spectacular here, because why do you just have project 1, project 3, like all that stuff? Why don't you put like what the project is doing? Like just put the title, say, hey, this is like a full stack, I think something like that, a full stack hospital management application, or this might be like backend only project. And yeah, I feel like this numbers thing, I don't know, maybe you're just trying to flex the animations. But other than that, your website is smooth. I like it, but try to include some dark mode toggle, man. This is not good. I don't like this light mode thing. All right, that should do it. That should do it for the review, my brother. Let me just keep going. Let me focus on what we have on the table. Never add a portfolio in the project section. I've not uploaded. Okay. What a background, bro. Why are you hating on my background, dog? It's cool. It portrays that a person is still a child. Wait. What's portraying that somebody's still a child, bro? Because sometimes you guys be going crazy in the comments. I want to know, what do you mean by that? What the fuck did I even just press? What is that, bro? So I wanna talk to y'all. Okay? Because sometimes you guys be saying some unhinged things in the comments. Let me first hear your opinions, bro. What are you guys saying? Before we start coding, because using cartoon images, yeah. I don't like it. I don't know, for some reason. I feel like portfolio is about you, bro. But if you're going around trying to promote some other cartoon, it just don't make sense. Because then it's like, if I'm trying to hire you, it's like, bro, I don't see any personality. All I see is like a cartoonish kid that wants to get a job. Yeah, bro. You know, these guys are so subjective. It's like, do not open doors for people to judge your portfolio in a funny way. You get. Don't give them the reason to just judge you. Just be professional with it, bro. Alright, so what did we have yesterday on the table? I don't remember what we had yesterday, but if I can remember, we had the event-driven architecture thing. But this was our previous stream. Oh yeah, Yagamai Light, what's up, bro? Welcome to the stream. Are you new here or you been here since? Man, it's not completed. It's half. Okay, all right. Alright, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt, bro. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. But you just gotta be serious. If you, mine too, though. I'm just judging your stuff. I don't even finish my stuff. I can show you right now on my GitHub. My portfolio is literally halfway. I'm new here. I just saw your video and motivated me to do a live stream too. Oh, okay. You also do live streams. That's interesting, bro. You do YouTube or Twitch? Bro, how can I use Node.js, Express.js in my portfolio? Yo, what the hell? This dude didn't even use. Hold on. How do you just add Node.js and Express and all that stuff without even you knowing them? That's not the best way to do it. I don't know what this dude is. Jesus Christ. Dude doesn't use them and he's just adding them with his portfolio. What the hell? Nah, you fascinate me, my G. Yeah, YouTube. You do YouTube. What's your YouTube channel, bro? Why does one need a backend for their portfolio? Oh, shit. I'm not added. I'm asking that. Which section can I add? You don't need a bucket for your portfolio, my brother. You do not. Unless you're doing something insane with your portfolio. right? This is my simple portfolio. The only thing that requires simple backend logic is here, right? This message thing. But I can literally just do it using Next.js, and I don't have to touch an external server. You understand? So yeah, I feel like my portfolio is very mediocre. I have to improve on it. I haven't really like touched it since. I haven't done anything on it. All right. So what we have on the table, what we have on the table is event-driven architecture, which is still microservices. You know what? One thing I did research on, I didn't really do any because I don't do research before going on stream, like for real. I just teach myself with you guys on stream, so don't act weird, okay? I have something here. I just don't understand what this is. Which language is this? Hello. What is .ml? I don't know what this language is, but it just looks kind of dope, bro. Hello. .ml stands for which language? Bro, these guys are going crazy with their mascots, right? For which language? Okay, which programming language? Let me see. Oh, meta language. Reuben Milner had the idea of creating a programming language particularly adapted for writing applications that would access logical formulae and proofs. Okay. So that's the meta language thing. All right, that's good. Check mine I sent on Discord. Wait, is it the same exact one I checked the other time? We have a section on Discord, right? Matter of fact, let me just go. All right, this is you. Okay, no problem. Let me just get the Discord link in a sec. Let me get the Discord link so we can just add it up there. Edit. Expires should be never, right? That means it should never expire. Copy this. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this. Boys, I'm just warning you guys from the start. The stream might it might lag, right, for some reason. Bro, y'all watching the stream, you guys gotta like the stream, bro. You guys are weirdos. How y'all watching the stream without liking it? Like, come on. You guys serious? Alright, let me just pin this. Cool. I think we're all good now, so let's go back. Alright, that is okay now. That is okay. So the Discord, yeah, I can join the Discord. And this dude sent me his stuff. Let me check it. Let me check the portfolio. Whoa, I like that. I like that little thing. Let's see, a passionate web developer and data enthusiast in Mumbai, India. I love building intuitive. Okay, I'm not gonna read all that. But bro, you don't have dark mode, bro? Yeah, my eyes are bleeding out, bro. God damn. Oh, you have it. I can see it right there. Okay. It's here. Alright, that's better. Okay. But look, bro, there's some inconsistency, right? Because I can see like these cards, you better put these cards, either these cards like start at the same line with this, or maybe you just take this a little bit this side. You either take the cards like this or you just bring this on a little, because it's so inconsistent. Like, look, this is starting all the way here. You have portfolio. I don't know why you even had to put this in a different language. What? Portfolio? What the hell is this? What the hell is this, bruh? What is portfolio, right? Nah, you gotta check this out. So you better make this thing like have consistent margin. Margin than margin. It should have a consistent margin. White space. You're not using proper white space. I need like some good spacing between these. At least add like some extra inch. You get something like that, bro. Alright, but I like these cards. I like these cards. I don't know, it would look nice without this white thing though. Like without this white, just the normal cards the way they look like this. It'll be cool. But it depends on you. Now look at these words. This, like, bro, come on. This is just unnecessary. You get. You should at least like make them maybe 4 lines, right? Break them down into 4 lines. Yeah, that is it. So your portfolio is not bad, bro. Your portfolio is not bad. Let me check out your GitHub first of all. Bro, how did you get these icons, bro? How did you get these icons, bro? You gotta tell me because I swear I like these icons. I'm not gonna lie. I like this, bro. Look at the way my icons are ugly, bro. Look, my icons are too ugly, bro. Hold on, your icons are quality, bro. Yeah, oh man, why are you adding AWS here? Wait, what did you use AWS for? Oh, my boy has around 1,000. You be coding like crazy this year, bro. Like, let me check 2020. How the fuck? How do you have 1,000 contributions already? Yo! But you haven't been coding of recent? Hold on, you've been coding of recent. Bro, how can you, like, the entire September, bro, you just coded only once? Hold on. No. You coded here. And, yeah. I feel like you're so inconsistent, bro. I can see like 1,000 contributions, but you're so inconsistent. You see that? Look how I just started becoming consistent. And hold on, where is this? I just want to make sure like I have like my things all, I wrote a script to add fake commits. I'm speechless, bro. That shit just kills the minute. What's this? Our portfolio agency, bro. You just killed the point of having. Look, bro. This is somebody watching the stream without liking the stream, bro. You're not liking the stream, like you guys not subscribing. Like, what are you guys doing, bro? God damn. But somebody's hacking GitHub. Oh my god, bro. Like, God. Where are people going with this, bro? Oh god. The HR will never get to See, bro, the point is not about the HR getting to know. It's about you documenting something. It's about you documenting something. You know what's funny is if you have 1,000 contributions with no, like, bro, if somebody goes through your application and sees how your portfolio is looking with the inconsistencies, they're gonna look at the 1,000 contributions and doubt it, bro. I swear to God. So what the hell are you contributing, bro? A turning point, a turning what? Yeah, there's some lag. There's some crazy lag. Some crazy lag. I don't know what's causing the lag, but yeah, bro, I'm almost getting headache looking at this lag, bro. I meant to add 500 commits, but the loop ran twice randomly. Even 500 commits is questionable. Look, bro, I've been coding like almost every single day. I haven't even made it to like at least even 500 contribution. I've been coding every single day, pushing code to GitHub. They haven't reached to 500. Why yours? You take a second and you have 500 contributions. Crazy. I like that though. I like that. You just gotta hustle though. So let's see what's going on here. We have atoms. Escape the hiring chaos. Get, bro. Is it just my eyes or all this stuff is super slow, bro? Is it just my eyes? Why choose our solutions? Or is this just my eyes or maybe the entire thing is? No, it's not just my eyes, bro. I feel like there's some random lag. I don't know. They've added too many complex components. Oh my god. Yo, bro, I like your stuff, bro. I like your stuff. What's going on? What is this application for? Like, actually, what is it for? It's even live, bro. This application is live. Yo, it looks good. It's not lagging. I think it's just that application, right? We provided the best solution. Oh, this is an agency. This is our agency of IT service and consult. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, bro, I've seen this robot like a million times. Hold on, let me try to close down this. Let me see what's really going on. Let me try to close these things down. God, something, bro. Matter of fact, bro, you guys, I swear to God, I wish you were on Twitch, bro. Like, it's lagging here like crazy, you know? Twitch. I wish you were on Twitch, bro. Alright, I think it's better now. I think it's better. It was just, I think, Discord that was taking like the bandwidth. Alright, let me close this. My God, I need to invest some. I need to get a new computer, bro. This cannot cut it. An agency website deployed on Vercel? Nah. What's wrong with Vercel? I feel like Vercel can cut it. I've seen this robot like a million times. Let me see experience. Okay. I like you see, bro, I like the way the animations are subtle and everything just looks good. I don't know if it's just me, bro, but the computer will get a domain. Starting what? Oh, you guys are just starting out. Okay. I like that. I like that. So yeah, bro, if it's an agency thing, then it's good. It's good. Are you the one handling the agency? Are you like the head of the agency? You must be making some good money, bro. Tell us how much have you made so far? Meet the team. Now, when I see somebody like this, bro, I know this is a serious person. Manager plus bucking dev. Yo, yes, we are founders. How much have you pulled in this last month? I think you guys are like close to $3,000 a month or more than that. Alright, let's see. But your website is cool, but for some reason this entire thing is just lagging, bro. Like this is now annoying me. I don't know. What can I do right now, bro? God, what's the issue? What's the issue? As you can see, we do not have any dropped frames, and it's still lagging. Hello, this is Microsoft service. Access. Yeah, to get access to my computer? No, 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 no. I'm not gonna give you access to my computer. Sorry. Sorry, my boy. Sorry, sorry. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we can do now. I think everything should be fine. We can just get to work. I'm gonna check it out, my boy. Don't worry. Let's just see what we can cook up real quick. But now we'll target the international clients. Ooh, that's dope, bro. It's like, what's the pricing? That's some good money though. Like I feel like you guys can. I swear to God, y'all can take the idea of building agencies. That is very very dope, bro. What's the pricing? Did they include the pricing there? Wait, did you guys include the pricing? Did I skip it? I think I might have skipped it, right? I didn't see anything about the pricing. Oh, sorry. It's all good. I'll check it. I'll check it out. I'll check it out after this stream. It's literally cool, my G. I'm proud of you, bro. Like, not a lot of people can pull that off, you know? It's like so many people right now, they just learn coding for the sake of learning it. Oh my God. Yeah, my back hurts, bro. So, Speaking of what we are planning to build, right? I have some idea going on in the Discord with the boys. We had agreed on like a chat app, and up to now we haven't come to terms with the application. As you can see, even this guy asked me today. He's like, yo, wait, let me see. Wait, when did he tell me something? I think he please chat room up this time. Yeah, this guy. He's telling us to work on the chat application, right? The chat room application. But I don't know. I don't know. Like the stuff is actually supposed to be a group project, right? With everyone on board. So what do you guys think? Oh God, I cannot access the chat, bro. It's crazy. Um, let's see. Eraser. I think there's not enough RAM. I'm just trying to read your chats. That's why. Let me open Eraser. All right. So here's the thing we were planning to work on. Where is it? It's supposed to be somewhere here. Boys, is it still lagging? Oh yeah, yeah. I remember it was on Notion. It was on Notion. It was on Notion. Sorry. It's here. It's here. It's here. This is the product requirement document, right? The PRD for what we want to build. So we actually want to build a coding chat room, right? So what we are going to create is a chat room with a unique code. You get to invite others to join with the unique code. People can join the chat room by entering that code. So the requirements, we need the user registration. It's telling us that it's optional there, but it's not really optional. It's not really optional, my boys. Okay. It's not really optional because we actually need people to be only authenticated users to access our chat room, right? So we need to create a chat room. A user can create a room, and then system generates a unique alphanumeric code, room code, and then the room creator is automatically the admin. So I don't know because we have the microservices thing that we haven't finished. I was thinking we finish that one first. Filthy got a fat bunda. You should hire him. Yo, Mohit. Yo, what's cool, dude? What's the cost? Oh yeah, my boy is about to get a. He's about to get a user from our chat. That's crazy. Filthy got a fat bunda, bro. What you mean, bro? Project is pretty simple. You need session ID and key. Users join the same session using the ID. Yeah, so that means we can just use the same exact. Let's say like how do I call it? Not the session ID, bro. Not the session ID. The user will be logged in, and then we shall have to generate a unique code. Like you know how you use eFootball, right? You play eFootball. You have to create a room, right? Create a session. Children join. Makes sense. But the thing is, anyone who creates the room becomes the admin of that room. It's not like everyone is just we're going to create like a universal admin. No, like everyone is admin. Like whoever creates the room becomes the admin. That's the point, right? But first, let's first create the chat room first, and then we can worry about the rest of the things, right? So we need to create the chat room first. Now the chat functionality is what we need first. So send and receive messages in real time, display the sender and the receiver, optional emojis. Then the room management, admin only. Admin can remove users from the room. Admin can delete them. All right, so let's go ahead and just build the chat the chat room UI first, right? Let's see how the UI is gonna look like. Close this down. Give two options: create room, join room. Yep. So we can just create something simple, right? Let me show you how. Let me open Figma. I'm just gonna show you guys how it's going to look, and that's the thing. It's gonna be good, right? Let me open Figma. Yo, you guys recognize this thumbnail? Bodies. Okay, let's just create this. I'm just gonna call this the chat room real quick. We're gonna create this chat room and use a frame. We might need a frame desktop. Let's just use this. All right, something like this, my boys. All right, now what else? Okay, so we're going to have a simple frame here. Oh my god, for this background I just want to like reduce this. Select this. All right. Yeah, we can have something like this, my boys, right? This one we can just have like chat room. How you said we should create like create room, and then we can have join room, right? Why are they so small like that? Oh my god, everything looks small, bro. Yeah, we can just have like two buttons, right? We can have two buttons, one for creating room or joining room. So that's it. I don't want to go ahead into like design and stuff. Let's just create our. Let's go. Oh my god. So let's just go ahead and create that real quick. Oh my god. So developer, web dev. So here we're just going to have chat room. Where is the chat room? Alright, something like that. So what we're going to have, we're just going to have backend and frontend. Now, what I'm thinking, right? I want make the we're gonna have our backend and frontend, right? As usual. So for the frontend, we're gonna start with the frontend, right? But like I said, we're going to share the workflow, bro. Some of you guys working with me together because I want to do the backend, but we can do the entire thing also. CD, backend or frontend first. Let's go to frontend so we can have the onboarding thing. Bound create. Okay. I'm sorry, TypeScript. Yes. Oh, wait. Turbopack? No. What am I doing? Why did I say no for Turbopack, bro? Okay, yes for TypeScript, yes for ESLint, yes for Tailwind, yes. Abrada, yes, no. Good. So two options, create room, join room. So we're gonna have like two buttons. One button for create room, the other button for join room. And depending on what they click, right? If you click even like create room or even join room, for like creating room, you have to be authenticated before you can create room, right? That's what we need. But I feel like I don't know, man. I'm starting to think we don't even need authentication for it. I just don't know, bro. Let's go ahead and just see how it goes. All right. So close this down. Open this up. Oh my god. Okay, so I feel like we can do now. Is it top? This top? Yep. Then we can. Oh yeah. Cool, my boys. That is cool. That is cool. Got tab. We can just switch tabs like this, right? All right. Let me fill this like this. But I'm just learning this though, so okay. Let's run this application real quick. Alright, we have that normal Next.js thing. Let's check our code. Just gonna get rid of this RFCE. Okay, here I'm just going to have two buttons. Matter of fact, I think we're going to use ChatCN. I'm here for the chat room app. Where's the discussion of the chat room? Bro, we started doing the chat room thing, bro. Alright, let's see. I think we need ChatCN, right? So let's go. What's that? Let's go and get ChatCN, bro. I don't know if you guys are not tired of ChatCN. Also, we can have like something like an admin panel, right? I don't know. Anyways, let's start with the installation. The docs, this bun. Okay. CD back front end. So this is the chat room app you're working on. Yeah. That's the chat room app. Yeah, we need neutral for the base color, obviously. Okay. Not VS Code. Alright, let's go ahead and see Bonex. We're just going to add a button. Add a button. We also need dark mode, obviously, bro. Like, you guys don't know how much I hate like light mode and stuff. Now, another thing is like for ChatCN, right? We can have something called Twixen. Is it Twixen or Twixen? To tweak it. So let's go to dark mode. Let's click that. That's the first thing I normally do, bro. Okay. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do, let's go back right here. Let's take this children thing, just like this. Okay. So we're going to go to like the layer.tsx and we shall just drop this here. Boom. And if we just save this, hold on, not save. Let me just close it like this. I mean, like this. And then the theme provider as well. We're gonna have this. Close this theme provider. All right, this is it. Move this here, and we just import this. Import. Yeah, so it's all good. It's all good. How do I fix VS Code not opening? I don't know, bro. Just go to YouTube or something. I think you should go to YouTube, bro. Let me see, cause bro, if you cannot fix VS Code, then I think you have a problem. Oh God. All right, so I think everything looks good. Let's go. All right, let's go back here. Let's see how everything looks. Refresh this. Where's our code? All right. Let's see. I'm just gonna call this. We're gonna have a button. But and we're gonna have one for creating room, right? Create room, and then the next one is just gonna be join room, right? Join room, something like that. So I'm just going to center them, right? Flex item center, justify center. That is it, right? Flex center, item center, and then we're gonna have min height. Min height screen. All right, so that should do it, my boys. The next thing is we can just give these two things like a gap of like 8, so we can have some gap between them. All right, so that is it. Why do they look ugly like this, bro? Hold on, let me start the server. Let me restart the server. Okay. Yep, so everything looks good, my boys. How do I? Yeah, I'm at the YouTube. What do you mean you at the YouTube, bro? Is that English correct? Wait, we have some hydration issues. All right, let's go ahead and tackle that problem. We have suppressed hydration. Now the next thing is we just need a load toggle, right? I think we need some toggle because we can just have. All right, boys. I think this interface looks good. I'm not gonna lie. We have create room and join room, but this I don't know if this gap is okay like that. This gap kind of looks big, right? So this should be like our onboarding flow. Like once you get to this page, right, to the home page link, you are directly like, you have create room, join room, but we might as well just have like a low nav bar, right, that will show the name of our chat room and something like that. Because bro, nobody just gonna click here and say like create room, join room. Like you get, we gotta give them some context at least. So let's go and give them some context. All right, so we're gonna have something like navbar. I'm not really gonna refactor anything right now. I'm just gonna have everything in here. So I'm just gonna have navbar. I think it's okay to just create them inside the component. So let's go to the components. Just here, I'm gonna call this navbar. Navbar.tsx, something like that. All right. And inside the navbar, we're just gonna have two things, right? We're gonna have what? We're gonna have our title and our like the toggle, right? The dark mode toggle. So let's have something like that. Let's call this nav, and then here we're just gonna have LULI, something like that. And yeah, inside the navbar here we can just I don't know if we really need all this. I'm gonna have it like this. So we're gonna have logo, which is going to be like a div, a simple div, and then we're gonna have I think we could call it filter chat room, right? I don't know the name you guys came up with, but I like the filter chat room. It looks good to me. Alright, filter chat room, and then we're gonna have the dark mode toggle. So you know what I'm gonna do? Let's go back to Shadcn one more time. Bro, why is this shit tripping like this? I can work with you on live share VS Code after so. No, that's not how collaborations work, bro. You download your own VS Code, right? Download your own stuff, and then you can just make a pull request and then work on some part that you want to work on. Because everything is going to be open source, right, on GitHub. So let's go ahead and grab this. I'm just gonna copy this. Go back to our code. I think we're gonna create some other component again here called, I think we can call this mode toggle, right? Something like that. Mode toggle.tsx. Then we can drop this here. All right, we have some things we haven't. Okay, we need drop down menu. So let's go here. We need components. We'll go to drop down menu. All right, here. Now we're just gonna install this. Let's go back. All right, let's go. I think I have the front end here. CD front end one more time, and I'm just gonna add this. Boom. Now our error is going to disappear. Good. So we don't have any error right now, my boys. If I go right now to the navbar, we need to just have a little mode toggle, something like that. I think it's called mode toggle. Okay, something like that. Now we can just give this class name flex items. We just give it justify between, right, so that we can just separate them, justify between, and then px8, like from both sides, right, like this, from x and y, no, not x and y, x from left and right. That is it. All right, let's go back, see what we have now. So we need to import it inside we need to import the navbar. Let me close this down. All right, we need to just import it on top here. So we're gonna have navbar. All right, so if we go back now, we should be, well, this is funny. This is funny. This is not what I was planning for, but it is what it is. Let's look for how we can fix that. So we need to take this entire thing, right? We need to take this entire thing, and then we can just create a little div here and drop this here, and then take these ones, put them inside here. All right, so if we go back now, we should have this, but for some reason we have the navbar looking funny, right? So let's go to the navbar, flex between, we can just give it py8, right, something like that, or we can just give it a height, right, height of like 6 or maybe 4, something like that, and then we can give it border bottom. I think that should look good. It doesn't look good to me. Okay, let's give it py, padding y, something like 8. Go back. Good. I think it kind of looks good like that. We can just click here, take it to the light mode, dark mode. All right, boys, I think that should do it for our application. It kind of looks funny right now, the way it looks. It looks like, let's put this at like 6. I think 6 is good. 6 is still too much, bro. Let's give it 4. Yeah, that should do it for like the navbar. Right now we have this filthy chat room, so this is already giving people like, hey, we are building a chat room, right? So okay. What else do I need? Okay, I need to just I need to give this, I need to call this as fun. So I can just give this text XL or LG, and then font bold, semi bold is good. Chat room, I like this dot, like this dot just after this. Yep, so that's cool. We have filthy chat room, create room, join room. Good. Let me just look for button. Let's create this cursor, pointer. All right, this is cool. So we have 2 different things now, right? Oh my god, water. Restore the top. Why is YouTube tripping, bro? All right, so from here, what now? What now? What now after here? Let me just try to reduce the gap between these two things. Let me try to reduce this gap. I think 6 should be enough. 6 should be good. All right, that is okay. That is okay. What next you want us to work on, boys? So we have the floor, right? Can I also work with you? I think I answered that question. So we have something like this. Good. So right here, we're just gonna have a simple H1 and not there. We have this. Can have a simple H1 and call this what join a private room with a unique code. Or create room. Okay, so we're just gonna have something like this. Copy same exact thing. Create a room. Create private room. Add an option settings button also. Which options for? Okay, that is cool as well. You can just have these ones inside their own div as well. Alright, I think this should just be the main div, and then we can have this one as a section, and we can also have this as a section for the buttons. Alright, that should do it. So what next now? I'm just gonna give this class flex items center, justify center, and that should be it. Let's see. Alright, I need to just give it some little margin. I'm just gonna give it like margin 24, margin to the top 24, and then I can give this class plates 6XL. I'm gonna give it something like 4XL, and this all can just be like that. All right, let's see. Cool. Let's give this flex as well. Flex column. Okay. All right, that kind of looks good to me still. Min height screen, and then margin bottom something like 8. All right. Let's see. Whoa, what the hell? What the fuck was that? No. This is not how I intended it. Alright. We can have something like what? 56 margin to the top. Is wait a minute, bro. Why does this look ugly like this? Why does it look ugly, bro? I'm not gonna lie. This looks ugly. Oh, because I said section. Because I changed it to section. I think because I changed it to section. So that's why. Okay. They look. What the fuck? What's the issue, dog? What did I do? Margin to the top. Let me first remove that. You know what, bro? I don't know why this stuff, it doesn't like give it the kind of what I'm looking for. I don't know if you guys get the vibe that I'm looking for. All right, this is what I'm looking for actually, and I need I need to have like a div here that is holding. Okay, so let me just take this entire thing, put them inside a div, something like that. All right, and then here we can just have we can have something like this as well. All right, everything here kind of looks good. I'm just gonna come here and say flex space y. It's gonna give you something like 8, right? Now let's see how it looks. All right, this kind of looks good, and then I can just give this entire thing flex column. So I'm just gonna give it flex column, and flex as well. Then item center, justify center, min height, screen, right? That should do it. Good. This is what I'm looking for, bro. But for some reason, I want this one to be on top a little bit. Go on, keep progressing. I'm going by. All right, man. See ya, bro. Let's see. I think that should be okay. Close this off. All right, create a private room. Okay, let me give this also space. Y, something like 4. Let's go ahead and give it text 3x 4xl Pro. Okay, join room, create a private room, or join a private room with a unique code. Create a private room or join a private. Bro, how I hate what's going on here. Okay. Margin to the top, margin to the bottom, something like 8. Let's move it a little bit up. God. Wait. See how everything. So this is the entire stuff, the entire div. Jeez.